How to transfer your notes to Blogger on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to transfer your notes to Blogger on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and go down, click settings, and then just go down and click this one here, transfer a copy of your information, and now just click next and go down until you find this one, Blogger, and go to posts and click none if you want to transfer only your notes, and then click next. Now just connect. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.